Hey guys, Carl's from the HID factory, and today I got Godzilla. This is a Nissan GTR. So we did for this customer, he's coming in complaining about his lighting. He wasn't able to see these are his old headlights. They got the yellow haze, they got open style housing with halogen bulbs in it. He wasn't getting the light he needed. What we were able to do for him, we upgraded him to a projector style housing in LED and HID. On his projector we did HID, on his high beam we did LED, and then we did an LED daylight running light. So let me get that turned on for you. There we have his daytime running lights, and those are his HIDs. And in the video the HIDs might look a little bit blue. Once the HIDs warm up to temp, everything is symmetrical with a 6K. So it does warm it up. I can show you as well the high beam. Alright guys, and I mean, everyone wants to see this car. It's the first time I've seen this one in person, so we're going to go ahead and do a walk around the vehicle as well. Start off with the... and that's the RB26 motor. And also this is an actual right-hand drive vehicle. But yeah guys, any project you have going on, anything you need for project vehicles, anything you got going on, we can definitely take care of y'all. Y'all can see what we have online at thehidfactory.com. For more videos like this, any awesome cars we have like this, we usually like to do something like this. You can check us out on YouTube. And then also we have any other videos there if you want to look at your vehicle specific videos, we have them on there. But don't forget to like and subscribe down at the bottom right corner. Just hit that subscribe link. We're giving out free prizes, we're giving out everything on both Facebook and YouTube. So sign up for both of them guys and you get a chance to win something. Thank you again.